out here with Team Where to Wheel, trying to figure out what we're gonna have our guests do next. Can't say that they've done it all yet, but we're getting ready for lap 2. Say hi, y'all.
Bye. Don't mind.
I'm gonna get that mud hole. What's up? Oh, I'll be alright. I'm heading stuff. You got it. You got it. You got this, John. Keep going. Keep going. Nice. Heck yeah. All right, now we've got this, I believe it's a late 80s 4Runner coming through here. Oh, so close, so close. You got it, you got it. Nice. That was the double transfer case he has, that all the torque in the world. Too easy for the JL. All right, we have moved up to the front side of the property over by the chicken coop, and this is the hills and pits section. And you can see behind me, there's some mud pits, some hills for everybody to drive over. Now we're gonna get some footage of the trucks driving through the mud.
This is a great shot, dude. Great shot. Holy crap, this is gonna be awesome. Terrific. Terrific. Yes, sir.
All right, we got the Willys coming through. It's a 2021 JLU Willys on 35-inch tires. Here comes that 4Runner. Here's a nice shot right here. Nice looking SUV. As I get a mouthful of dust. Oh man, and look, you can't even see the green color on this Willys anymore. It's just mud brown.
lot of fun so far today. If you can't tell by the amount of mud sitting on the side of these mud trucks. This guy right here has a seatbelt strap imprint on his shirt. We've got an electrical issue with this one. Having gotten some parts wet in there, but they're solving it, not a big deal. A lot of mud today. A lot of mud today. She looks good. Oh yeah. So, you all asked for mud pits? We give you mud pits.
Devin in his JLU. Now keep it real slow. Yeah, come to a full stop. All right. Okay, now just ride the brakes on the way down. This really shows you how steep this is. Hey. Nice, no scraping at all. That's awesome. Man, those Willys are super capable if you just put some 35s on them. That was impressive. I'd be curious if he's in 4 low or 4 high. So the JL got stuck in the pit that we've been digging out with the super swampers. What happened, Devin?
I got a little cocky on that one.
Are you in 4 high or 4 low?
4 low, or 4 high, but it's not even letting me go to 4 low right now.
Oh yeah, you got to be moving for that. Devin, is this your first time getting this Jeep stuck?
Yeah.
Okay, all right. How's it perform today? You feel good about it?
Oh, I'm fucking proud of her right now.
Nice, awesome. Yeah, she's a trooper. I'm surprised you got stuck, but I mean, you're going through the same pit the 44s are going through, so.
Ready?
Slowly go.
Reverse and slowly go. Boy, some hot footwork there.
Thanks for getting that hooked up, Wyatt. Try to get you all the full view of the recovery. I'm walking through a swamp right now. All right. There we go. Easy peasy. Just letting the winch do the work. Well, if you guys have seen our previous videos, one of the last JLs to go through here lost his license plate in the mud pit, but you can see Devin still has his license plate, so everything is good. But man, that thing got muddy. He's got some power washing for, you know, in his future. I want to see if we can get that 4Runner. Is it a 4Runner? I don't know. Yeah, it's a 4Runner. That's what I've been calling it. But I want to like see him on the rocks with his twin transfer cases. All right, Devin, you can start backing up. Now, Devin, I would just take it on a big loop just to shake some of the mud off. What's that?
David said you gotta take it around fast to sling the mud off.
That's science. Yep. All right.